Okay, Cameron, here we go. I'm going to try and teach you a trading technique using walleye at the same time. I'm practicing with this record screen kind of thing. So here we're looking at a crypto index, and what we look for here is a divergence trade where we use the indicator to signal the trade as opposed to whatever the price is doing. In fact, I know this is going to bother you, but we don't really care what the price is doing. We're operating off the indicator. So here's what we're looking for. I bring this trusty arrow, and you can see here we've got a high in the crypto index price, and down here we do not have a high in the indicator, which is a combination of momentum, etc. Well, I'll tell you how I created that another time. But so now what we're doing then is what we've got is we've got a setup here. This is called a setup. This is not a trigger yet, but it's a setup for a short trade. So what would cause us to enter that trade from using the indicator and not the price? So what we do is we've got a period of divergence, and we go back on our indicator till we've reached a new high. The most recent high is back here for this indicator, and so that's what's created this period of divergence. So here we've got a new high up here. We don't have a new high down here. We go back to the most recent high, and we go up to the price, and that's what's created our two boxes. So now where's our trade coming from? So between the start of this box to the end of this box, which is where the high was created, what we're looking for is the low point between the two vertical lines of the box, and that occurs right down here. So now when that level is crossed by the indicator, that's when we're going short. So we track that along, and it crosses right there. So where that indicator, this red line, crosses below this low point here, that is where we're going to go short. So we come back one day and find, oh, the indicators drop below this line. We immediately put in our short sell, and in this case we would have been nicely rewarded as our price dropped significantly. Okay, so I think that this thing is going to work quite well. I'm going to work with the tools and try and get a little smoother with this. But let me know what you think of the recording, and what you think of, well, the trade technique that you just learned. Okay, talk soon.